Hi everyone, Melissa here with Sew Yours. Today I wanted to take a quick moment to reintroduce you to our HeatherTex waterproof fabrics because they deserve way more attention than they've been getting online. We launched HeatherTex back in July and online sales haven't taken off as well as we had expected, but our in-store sales are booming. Our customers love it and keep coming back for more. If you're a fan of our waterproof canvas, then you're going to love our HeatherTex too. HeatherTex is a waterproof fabric with a PVC backing and a 300 denier count. Denier is simply the thickness of the fibers. A lower denier gives you a finer fiber, so HeatherTex has a smoother hand feel while still staying strong and structured for bags. HeatherTex also has a subtle sheen to the surface. Our waterproof canvas uses a 600 denier fiber, but both fabrics are the same at 0.4 millimeter thickness, and both are fully waterproof. They feel almost identical aside from the canvas having a little more texture. To help more of you try it, we're running a 15% off Try It sale now through Monday. Use code HeatherTex15, all in caps, at checkout to save. You can shop HeatherTex now at sewyours.com.